Hey y'all, look at my avocado plant. Look at it. We caught a scorcher. It dried out, and despite it raining every day, it just was too much and it died. And it takes forever for avocados to grow. So, well, that's my opinion. Other people say it's no time. So, we need a replacement, right? But look at this. It's a big fat one, right? I went to the flea market to go get one of them organically special, not out the grocery store avocados, and I got this big fat one right here, and I am going to grow it. But let me tell you what I did to get it like this. After I ate the avocado and I pulled this pit out, I made sure that I took off all the skin. And the reason why I took off all the skin, which is it's going to be that brown husk on the outside, is because if you wet that and you leave the skin there, it molds sometimes, and you don't want that. Your paper will turn brown and it'll be kind of gross. So I took off all the skin that I could take off, even if you have to scrape a little bit with a knife. And then I took it and put it inside of a wet paper towel, wrapped it up real good. And because I was extra, I know I have a habit sometimes of forgetting I do this, and this dries out and kills the plant, and I didn't want to do that. I wrapped it again with some, what's this called? Is it cellophane?
Saran wrap.
What's this called? This plastic wrap. I wrapped it up with this. And then, is it called Reynolds wrap? I wrapped it up with that. I got some other stuff in this bag, so I'm taking it out. Stuff that's not doing so good, unfortunately. But I wrapped it up inside of the bag. Well, this cellophane or
not cellophane,
or whatever the hell you call this. And I stuck it in here and I left it here, and it started to root. So since it's rooting, I'm getting rid of this one because it didn't make it, unfortunately. Ooh, and it has some decent roots too. Ain't that sad? Okay, so I'm going to replace that one, stick it in the same dirt because dirt's expensive. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in there and put it outside in a, I guess, better shaded area, because last time my other one got scorched and I don't want to do the same thing twice. And I'm planting it open side up, although ironically the roots are up here. I'm doing this anyway. And I'm just going to cover it a little bit because I kind of like